Hello, I want to show you how to sort of update your key commands or your keyboard shortcuts to sort of get you to be more efficient at whatever you're doing. And this is a really nice trick because what it will do for you is, depending on what you use, will help you out a lot. Like, I know C is for circle, and for me, I don't use circles enough for it to really be helpful, and CO is a little bit of an annoying key command to press copy as much as I use it. So it all depends on what you do, but I'm going to get to it and just show you. If you go here, I'll drop down into your PGP file, which is another way you can access this through your folders outside of AutoCAD, through the program folders. This is a quick way to do it. But if you scroll down all the way, you can see that I've already set one up, and I'm going to move my screen here and C for copy. What you can do is just copy paste, put it down here, and then draw it, or you can just type it out this way. It doesn't need to be in a specific way. As long as you have your star and your comma, you should be fine. And then just spell out the exact command, and then put your first letter here, or letters depending on what you want for the command, the shortened version or whatever version you would like. But if I do want to do another one, it would be, let's do rotate. I'm just going to keep it consistent. So star, and then everything's got to be. And rotate. So the original R was redraw, and I don't use that enough to need it to default to that. So what this is going to do is override the original one, and then default down here to rotate. So it is nice for that. And then if you want to ever go back, just delete it and then update the file. It'll all go back to normal. And if not, if you want to to prevent you having to change other things like C for circle, if you just put CI, it'll default to the closest unused letter combination, and usually there's not a lot specifically to that certain word. So if you spell CI for circle, it'll usually come up, or depending on what you do. But from here, you just exit, save, and if I go here, just to show you, it's not gonna, which this computer tends to be a little bit slow when running these recorders, but there it is. See, it still generates redraw, and I want to show you. And all you have to do is pretty much reinitialization, and pretty much just update your PGB file and just tell AutoCAD that you just changed it, and it'll bring it in there. And now, if it'll load, if I press R, and you like just to show, for redraw, if I put RED, it'll default to redraw. So it's not totally out of there. You can't, you can still use the command. You just have to type maybe a longer word, more specific to it. It's not so much of a quick command anymore. But what's nice here is now R is for rotate, so I can use that, and it's, depending on what you're doing, is pretty useful. So there you go. Thank you for watching.